Berkshire closed yesterday. The A share was about, for Friday, $69,000, and the B share was about $2,300. Do you feel that price is grossly overpriced or grossly underpriced or reasonably priced?
Well, I'll let Charlie answer that one.
I'm not going to say.
No, we're just never going to give out advice on Berkshire stock. There's no, that is up to people who want to buy and sell it, and anything we would say could easily get magnified, and people would be acting on it months later, and who knows all the problems that they could produce. So
it would be quite eccentric if we were to every day put out an announcement, now's the time to buy, now's the time to sell our own stock. Eccentric we are, but that eccentric we aren't.